Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs with a Poacher full guide. Start by filling the Poacher to the recommended level and bring the water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Crack each egg into a small ramekin to avoid shell bits and ease transfer. Gently slide eggs into the Poacher, cover to trap steam, and time 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk and tender white. Use calm hands and a simple rhythm when poaching with a Poacher. It makes a world of difference. Keep the water simmering and resist stirring. The Poacher keeps eggs contained so you get neat, uniform shapes. If you want firmer yolks, add 30 to 60 seconds, and for ultra-soft yolks, stick to about 3 minutes. Finish with a quick salt and pepper sprinkle and a light dab of butter or olive oil. Poached eggs are incredibly versatile and lift many dishes with their silky yolks. Try them on avocado, toast with a squeeze of lemon for brightness, or pile them on steamed greens and grains for a hearty meal. A drizzle of soy or hot sauce works great for bold flavor, and a quick herb sprinkle adds freshness. They also pair beautifully with hollandaise for an indulgent brunch option that improves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.